In other big updates that we're bringing you at this point, a day after Praveen Pardeshi was shunted out as the Mumbai Civic Body Chief, Iqbal Singh Chahal has taken charge now, and hitting the ground on day one itself, the BMC Chief Chahal will visit Dharavi at 12 noon. Remember, Dharavi is one of the coronavirus hotbed with more than 400 cases that have been reported at this point, and there have been several issues and concerns that are being raised in the Dharavi area. Additionally, on Friday, remember, in a very big shake-up in the BMC, Praveen Pardeshi was removed as the BMC Chief amid rising coronavirus cases in Mumbai, which, remember, currently has breached the 12,000 mark. Now, Pardeshi has been transferred as the additional Chief Secretary in the Urban Department at this point. Let me go across to my colleague Disha, who's joining me live, getting us all those updates there. Disha, good morning. This is, of course, a very big shake-up that was seen in the Mumbai Civic Body. But first, let's talk about the current developments. Give us a brief background about the new BMC chief who has taken charge and what is going to be on agenda for him after taking charge as the BMC chief.
Well, that's right. Of course, indeed, in the middle of the COVID-19 crisis, and specifically that we are looking at how the cases are increasing here in the city of Mumbai, a shocking, of course, news had come to light that how the BMC chief was removed and now will be replaced by Iqbal Singh Chahal is what we understand. So now the BMC chief Iqbal Singh Chahal, he was the principal secretary of the Urban Development Department, and now he will be the new BMC chief is what we understand, and Praveen Pardeshi will now head to the Urban Development Department. So this was the major transfer that we actually saw. A couple of other transfers did really take place, but this was one of the transfer that really shook the city, because it comes in right at a time, middle crisis, when of course the COVID-19 we are dealing with the situation. Of course, last night what we saw that Chahal, he took a formal charge as the BMC commissioner at the BMC headquarters. In fact, he also took a brief meeting with the 4 additional commissioners to take the stock of the situation, so that he also becomes updated as to what his next move will be. And today, what we know, at about 12 o'clock, he will be visiting Dharavi, because as we all know, Dharavi is the biggest slum area, which needs maximum attention at this point in time, because the cases are increasing there each and every day. On an average, over 25 cases that we are looking at being reported single day. So this is, of course, a situation of worry in Dharavi, where of course now we know that thermal screening has completely been stopped because of the heat. So now the officials are dependent only on the private clinics as well as municipal dispensaries that are there at that point in time. So the new BMC chief, he is going to go there and take the stock of the situation, or the ground situation, as to what have been the things that have been done so far and what he can really recommend that can be done in the coming future. So this is something that the BMC chief will do at this point in time. Then definitely, as we all know, he will also plan to visit the couple of other affected areas. That is something which we do not really know so far, which are the visits that he has planned. But 12 o'clock Dharavi is what the new BMC chief is going to go, and that will be, of course, his first visit after taking over the new charge officially.
All right. Also, Disha, the timing of this decision is something that will be looked at very closely. There were, of course, rising concerns of the number of cases increasing in the city of Mumbai, crossing the 12,000 mark. And that, of course, is going to raise a lot of questions, considering the BMC chief has been shunted right in the middle of all this crisis.
Well, absolutely, and that is something that no one really knows as to why this move. But definitely, when we spoke to the officials from the state as well as the BMC, most of them have the reason to say that Praveen Pardeshi, who was shunted, he did not really work in tandem with the state government, and there were multiple flip-flops that we saw in the last couple of days, which actually created a lot of chaos, not only between the authorities but definitely between the other major decision policymakers. So of course that was something which really hinted, the Maharashtra government to really take such extreme step in the middle of the crisis. But the exact reason no one really knows. But at this point in time, of course, it comes in at a time when Mumbai needs stability, because we are looking at a situation where we have crossed 12,000 positive cases just yesterday. We have crossed over and above 400 deaths as we speak, only in the city alone. And Mumbai contributes to almost 60% of the total Maharashtra cases. And it is only increasing as we speak. So definitely it is a worrisome situation. But the new BMC chief who has come in, what we know that he's also had some expertise in knowing the city. He also has some experience in handling the situation like this, and he has the expertise of knowing the large city like Mumbai. Also, the additional commissioner who has formally taken charge again, Sanjeev Jaiswal, he has been the former Thane municipal commissioner. So he is also the person who's been working next to Thane, working next to Mumbai. So he also knows this pretty area very clearly. So of course we wouldn't think that it will be a problem at this point in time. But why this sudden decision that has been taken by the Maharashtra government, and particularly the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, remains to be questioned.
All right, Disha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates in this case. Let me also bring in our Deputy News Editor, Mayuresh, for further perspective on this. Mayuresh, as we were talking about, the timing of this decision is definitely going to raise a lot of eyebrows. There are, of course, going to be questions raised on why this particular decision was taken in the middle of all the crisis that the state of Maharashtra is dealing with. What is the kind of buzz that you're receiving from the political circles, the kind of reactions that you're getting after Praveen Pardeshi was shunted as the BMC chief?
Certainly, there are various angles to this particular story. If you see that the rising numbers, the poor health infrastructure, or we can say the poor condition of the hospitals, and entirely how the BMC has failed to manage the COVID thing, has certainly it's a kind of a fallout for that. On the other hand, we can say that when the chief secretary or the top bosses in the bureaucracy had ordered something, there are rumors or there are murmurs that the former BMC chief was not following the orders. The example which the people in the Mantralaya are giving of a liquor shop, when the Maharashtra government had decided to open the liquor shops, and it was expected that the former BMC chief, in a tandem with Mumbai CP, they will implement the order, but we saw what a mess happened and how people started crowding in, and ultimately former BMC chief had to order to shut down all the non-essential shops. So certainly all these things had gone against him, and that's why this decision must have come from the Uddhav Thackeray. That's the insight we are getting from the Mantralaya.
All right, Mayuresh, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates.